Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's sloka is for Mahakumbha blessings. Cannot visit Prayaga? No worries. Chant this sloka during your bath for Mahakumbha blessings. त्रिवेणीं माधवं सोमं भारद्वाजं च वासुकीं वन्दे क्षयवतं शेषं प्रयागं तीर्थनायकं श्री तीर्थराज प्रयाग की जय. Meaning of the shloka. I bow down to the sacred Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. To Madhava, Lord Vishnu, to Soma, the moon god, to Bharadwaja, the greatest sage associated with Prayaga, and to Vasuki, the divine serpent king, Kshayavatam, the sacred place of Prayaga, and Shesha, the divine serpent supporting the earth, the Tirthanayaka, king of all pilgrimage centers. Victory to the sacred Tirtharaja Prayaga. This prayer is recited while taking a bath to invoke the presence of sacred rivers and their purifying powers. Namaste.